Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a full-time trader, full-time investor. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. I basically specialize in trading the charts, okay? I look for certain patterns on the chart, and basically that's how I make my money. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. Actually, next month will be 11 years. So if you are looking to make money just by reading the charts, definitely this is the channel for you, okay? So definitely hit the subscribe button. And if you are watching a replay, you can actually go to settings right now. And you can go to speed and speed it up by hitting either 1.5 or 2. And basically, from there, you can actually speed up the video. So shout out to everybody that's here in the chat room. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, entertainment only. And right now, we are in the bear market, and the market's going down. We're having a little bounce right now. So if you want to take advantage of this bear market, definitely this is channel for you. And let's get this party started. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. How you doing, Tony? How you doing, Polo Sport? How you doing, Giorgio? I believe I'm saying that right. You're not new to my channel, right? Giorgio, I believe I'm saying that right. You're not new to my channel, right? Hey, what's going on, Dom? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's up? What's up? So, shout out to everybody that's watching this replay. Thanks a lot. If you are new to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button. This channel is all about learning how to be a professional. I'm not interested in making guys feel good. If you want to feel good, then you can definitely go to another channel. I'm all about the truth, all about showing you how professionals make money. Okay, so if you are interested in that, definitely hit the subscribe button and I will help you with that. Okay, so what's going on, William? What's going on, Paul, the Polo Sport? So the Polo Sport is saying I'm studying in Astoria Park with my 2-year-old. So are you from you from New York? No, right? Are you from New York, the Polo Sport? Shout out to him. He's with his 2-year-old. That's what's up. Good to hear that. Annette said, would you explain what just happened? I will. Okay, so shout out to the Polo Sport. He's from Astoria. I don't know how to say that. Astoria, right? He's from Queens, so shout out to him. I don't know the last time I've been out there. Hey, what's going on, buddy? Yeah, and that I will explain soon. G Slick in the house. Giorgio. Oh, so okay, so you bought the course a month ago. Okay, so shout out to you. Shout out to Giorgio. All right. Thanks for supporting the channel. What's going on, Kevin? He said, Ben, I'm halfway through the course. Great information. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. So what's going on, William and Tony? Okay. Okay, I hear you, Tony. So yes, so he said, what's the scoop on his pump? Okay, so everybody asking me about this pump. So let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, so basically it's just nothing. If you notice that every time the market goes up, it pumps like one big candle, right? You can tell that that's not real buying. It's like it pumps these one big, candles. Like you can tell that's automatically that's bots that's doing that. That's not real buying. Like why is going up like that? Why is going up with one big candle? Why we just can't go up normal? So these spikes to me is just bots buying the market. And basically it's nothing. It's just a regular pullback, guys. You have to understand. This level right here was was one of my levels I was looking for. So Bitcoin still has to see what's going on with this level, because we can play around in this level right here, this zone right here, or we can just reverse from here. But we have to wait, because I was expecting at least one more push up, even though the market did look weak today. But I was expecting at least one more push up. So this is nothing, guys. Nothing. So it's just regular bots buying this market up. And look at coin market cap. The volume is still low, so you can tell automatically. You can tell that's not real deep pockets buying this market. You know. So don't be concerned about that. But I know that a lot of people are happy right now, which is okay, you know. I'm not going to tell people not to be happy. So if you want to be happy, it's cool. I'm trying to erase this real quick. So yes, that's just bots buying up this market. And you know, we can definitely find, because there's a lot of resistance right here. So definitely can find resistance right here. We have this zone right here because we have this swing low right here. So we have this zone right here. And then we have another resistance right here. So honestly, I don't think this thing has enough juice to go to 8,000 at all. But we'll see. But overall, I don't believe we have enough juice to go to 8,000. We can probably go to around this level right here, which is 77. But other than that, I don't see us going to 8,000. But you know, it could go to 8,000, but I don't see it. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. So yes, he's a new student. So shout out to Giorgio. All right, that's what's up. Where this green candle come from? Looking fishy. Yes, is you can tell that's not real buying. Notice how every time we go up, it's just these little spikes. Like why are we going up with spikes for? Why we just can't go up regular, you know? Why every up move has to be a spike? That's how you can tell that the bots is doing this stuff. This is not regular buying right here. Spike up, spike up, spike up, spike up. Why we gotta have spikes? Why we just can't have, you know, multiple green bars going up? So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. Let me see. Hey, what's going on, buddy? Of course, I think I said it was going on. G Slick. Businessman, what's going on? Mama Road, what's going on? What's with the bots? Is this by miners trying to keep the value up and they can keep breaking even? Nah, I don't think it's the miners doing it. It's just the people that control the market, you know. They trying to hold that level. They're trying to hold that level. They're trying to get more people, I guess, get more people in, and then probably slam this thing back down. But like I said, I don't think we're going up that much. I really don't. I mean, anything is possible. Anything is possible, but I don't think we're going no further than probably 77. I don't even think we're going to hit 77, but if we do go up, I'll see a lot of resistance around 77. But honestly, there's a lot of resistance right here too. There's 68, 7,000 range. A lot of resistance right here. So I don't know. We'll see. We have to wait. So we have to wait until the market roll over so we can start looking for some opportunities. Let me see what's going on in the market. Robert, what's going on? Robert said what? Robert said, what's good here? What's going on? You said, Buddy said, good spot for a short position with resistance. It is a good spot, but at the same time, right now, it's a little bit risky because we coming off that triple bottom, so we have enough room to go up to 7,000 and maybe 77. So probably the best bet to wait for this thing to roll over. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Let me see. You said big fat Wells belly flopping on the bulls. I know, right? NN. Yes, NN said, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to moon the likes. Exactly, NN. Hit the likes. It's not going to hurt you. So, hey, what's going on, Jimmy? I'm working till 9. I may catch the replay. Okay, yeah. Thanks a lot, Jimmy. Shout out to Jimmy. Paul, what's going on, Paul? Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you, Paul. Hey, what's going on, PP? Didn't see you. I don't think I saw you lately. But what's going on, PP? B Drag said, are we not entertained? I know, right? So Sam said, I follow your channel and I take your advice seriously. I was going to ask, is the same thing? Is it a sign of the bulls coming back? No. It's not a sign. It's definitely not a sign of the bull, you know. See, the market is very, very tricky. That's why a lot of people can't do this full time. The market is very, very tricky, especially in the bear market, right? Especially in the bear market, it's very tricky. So that's why a lot of people can't do this full time, because automatically they start thinking, oh my gosh, the bulls is here. Let me start buying, right? So if you go back, you know, the bull's been saying this from right here, right? The bull's been saying we are back right here, and we caught resistance right here, right? The bull's been saying right here back in, was it April? We back right here. So, you know, you can't keep on fooling people like that, or I mean, you can't keep on getting fooled like that. The bulls had to show me some type of proof that they are back. And that proof, I need the bulls to go to 10,000. Right? Go to 10,000. Hold this level, right? Hold this 10,000 level and start making higher highs, right? Maybe burst through it. If it bursts through 10,000, and pull back and gain some steam, then yeah, this looking like a bull market, right? But from the past, from the history, we went to 10,000 right here. We passed it a little bit, went to 11,000. We had trouble. We sold off. We tried to go back to 10,000. We couldn't, and we sold off. So why all of a sudden you think that this is it? So in order for me to turn bullish again, it has to go to 10,000 and hold that level and burst up, you know, show some momentum. Maybe pull back and continue to go back, continue to go up. That's the only way I can say we are bullish. Right now, we didn't even hit 7,000. That's number one. We didn't even hit 7,000. We still are in the 6,000s. Okay, that's number one. Number two, even if it hits 7,000, that's still not enough. The bulls has to prop this thing up because we have major resistance right here. at this 8,000 level, which I don't believe it will go to, but let's say it does, major resistance. And this is how the bears trap people and take their money. And this is why a lot of people can't do this full time, because they get tricked a lot, and all of a sudden, you know, they think that the bulls is coming back, and they start buying the market. I need confirmation. I just don't do things just because it looks like the bulls is here. So let's go back to the market. I mean, to the chat. Polo Sport, I love you. Been having trouble understanding how the JFX though. What you having problems with the Polo Sport? So you say you having trouble. Everything is in a course. Just when you go to JFX.com, you hit new order. When you hit new order, everything is set up. You can put the price that you want. Everything is in a course. Go back to the course and look. Make sure that you look at it step by step. Don't try to pull the Polo Sport. Don't try to rely on your memory. Okay. Don't try to rely on your memory. Go back to the course. Look at it. And while you're looking at it, look at JFX at the same time. Okay? Don't try to rely on your memory, because that's why it's not working out. So go back to the course. Look at when I was talking about how to short everything. Look at it step by step, and then at the same time you have JFX open so you can follow it step by step. What you mean fees and profits? Basically, once it goes down, you know how much your profit is. Like I said, if you're having problems, you can test everything out on a demo. So you can start with 0.1 on the contract side, 0.1. And usually on a 0.1, it's usually around like $10 per 100. Anyway, let's go back to the chat room. So Buddy said, could it also be the trend reversal everyone wants? Yes. What you talking about right here? No. I wish the market was this easy, buddy. I wish the market was this easy. If the market was this easy, everybody would be rich right now, and we'd be chilling, sitting on a beach with a yacht, big yacht. This is too obvious for a reversal. Too obvious for a reversal. So let me see. And like I said before, buddy, don't even worry about this. You know, if the Bulls want to come back, it has to even come back to 10,000. It has to come back to 10,000 for me even to call this a bull market. That's the beauty of this course, guys. That's the beauty of this course. The beauty of this course is we can actually profit from the bear and the bull market. Okay. So let's say, for example, if this thing goes up and start to turn bullish again, we can start making money too on the bull side. So at the end of the day, I'm never worried about anything. I'm never worried about anything. Only people that's going to be worried is the people that buy and hold and they don't know how to take advantage of a bear market. Those are people that worry. I don't worry because I know how to take advantage of both markets. And what we're looking at right now, to me, is just a regular pullback in a bear market. And it's like a 90-something% chance this thing will continue to go down. So you got to wait, be patient. Let me see. Yes, Lance. Yes. Go back to the course. I explain everything in the course. Guys, you have to listen to the course multiple times if you don't understand it. Go listen to the course multiple times. I explain everything. $10 per 100. Yes. And if you are still confused, just go to the demo account, press sell or buy, whatever you want to press, sell or buy. Just go to the demo account. Just act like you're about to buy or act like you're about to sell. And then once it goes up, you can actually calculate how much money it goes up per 100. Okay, so let's go back to let's go back to the chat room. I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. So, Crypto Fingers, what's going on, Crypto Fingers? Good to see you back in the house. Today I saw a title said Tom Lee said Bitcoin's going to 25 before he said 50K. Now it's 25. Exactly, man. Straight up Bollocks. For real, man. Hey, what's going on, Bruno? Yeah, no problem, Bruno. Thank you for chilling with me tonight. So MC2, you said yes, it's not available for the Mac, but the web trader, which is next to the download, that's available for the Mac. So shout out to MC2. Yeah, the MT4 is not available for the Mac, but the web trader is available for the Mac. So shout out to Tron. Is this a inverse Head and Shoulders? Oh, you talking about on the floor? No, I don't believe this is an inverse Head and Shoulders. No, it's just a temporary up move, and we are at key support. So we are at key support, so you have to expect some type of buying, you know. We hit below this 57, 58 mark, so you have to understand we are definitely at key support, so you know, buying is here. But that doesn't mean anything. So NN said, if you're eager to learn and willing to invest in your course, then everyone can learn. Yes, anybody can learn the course. Yes. Yep, anybody can learn. How many hours, days does it take on average to learn the theory? It's up to you. It depends on the person. I don't know. every person is different. Some people might get it the first day. Some people might get it 3 days later. It might take a week for other people just to get the theory, you know. And then if you want to practice, you know, it might take you a week or two. But it all depends on your learning, you know, how you learn. Everybody is different. But I made it very easy for beginners to understand. So shout out to NN. Do you think Trump trade war is catalyst for Bitcoin being bullish? No. Nothing is a catalyst. Nothing can actually right now. Only thing that can make can make bullish a Bitcoin bullish right now, in my opinion, if the government say, listen, we're gonna start buying Bitcoin. That's about it. But other than that, we are in a bear market, and for me to believe that this thing is going reverse, we have to hit 10,000. The volume is so low that it tells me it's no real buying. I mean, how many times people are going to get fooled, right? We had this big pullback right here. Okay. So if you notice, we had this big pullback in February. Most people got fooled. They think it was going back up to the top. Right? You take that. Let's clone this. Let's clone this. If I can clone it. Let's see if I can clone it. And we put it back to there. I don't know what's going on. Why it's moving. Let's see if I can actually. And we had this, right? If you notice that this pullback was bigger than this pullback. And then we have this pullback that might be smaller than this pullback. So I'm thinking no more than 77, 8,000 the most. So how many times you gonna get fooled, right? We had this big pullback right here. This was the pullback right here. We had enough juice from last year to go up and continue to go back up. So why didn't we can go up right here? Why didn't we go up right here? So all of a sudden we going up right here. So be careful. That's all I gotta say. Be careful, guys. I've been through this so many times where, you know, it looks so good, right? You want to buy the bottom. You thinking this is the bottom, looks so good, and then next thing you know, you get fooled and lose money. Hey, what's going on, Crypto International? Sam said artificial pump was low overdue. Yeah, this artificial pump was long overdue, and that's what you're seeing right now. Why this thing can't go up normal? Why we having these little spikes going up, you know? Spike, 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 spike. So, you know, it is what it is. Most likely we're going to continue to go up. We'll see. But this definitely is a key level between these levels right here. So we'll see. But like I said before, the beauty of being a professional is I don't pick sides. I can make money regardless. So it is what it is. But automatically, I mean, I can tell that this is pretty much fake. And the volume is low. So we still are in the bear market. So let's go back to the comments. Let's see what's going on. All right. So shout out to everybody that's here. Good to see everybody here tonight. On a Saturday night. I know probably a lot of people is probably partying. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing on a Saturday, but good to see you guys here. But is the Bulls back? It doesn't look like it. It just look like a regular pullback. So for you guys don't know what it looks like, let me show you. Crypto International said trying to fool everybody with this pump. Exactly. So shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. Let me show you what this stuff looks like. Okay, this is right now what you're looking at is 2018. Let me show you for you guys that just forgot. I guess some of you guys forgot, right? Let me show you 2013 when we had that crash. Okay, this is 2013 when we had a crash. We have one bottom right here, second bottom right here, third bottom right here. Okay, the third bottom, we had this big pop. It hit this trend line. It sold off a little bit. Then it had another pop, right? And everybody was probably thought it was going to go bullish. Oh, yay. The bulls is here, right? And then we had this double top, and then it went right back down. Start crashing again, okay? So you have to understand that this is how things work. It's not just going to go straight down, especially at this key level right here. So we are at a key level, right? We are at a key level, and that's why you see this little pump. But what I'm thinking is, I don't think Bitcoin will go this far up. I don't think it will go up like this. I think we probably will hit at, the most probably 77. I don't think it will go up this much. So you just gotta wait and see what's going on. Like I said before, guys, I made the same mistakes that you're making right now. I made them already. Trying to time the bottoms. Trying to figure out, is this it? Is this going to be the reversal? And I lost a lot of money doing that stuff. That's a dangerous game. So right now, we are making lower lows. So be careful. The market, the market is not obvious, especially in a bear market. The bottom is never this obvious. This is too obvious right here. Everybody and their mother is screaming the bulls. Reversal. So just be careful. Let me see. You said Phil is calling what? The 75 pullback? I don't know who that guy is, but yeah, 7,500 is possible. Left lane says it's going to reverse right back down. For real, man. So just gotta be patient, guys. I mean, they're here to trick a lot of people. So we'll see. Like this zone right here, I believe that we're probably gonna find a lot of resistance right here in the zone. So we'll see. Like I mean, honestly, it might not even get to 75. It might not even get to 75. But damn sure, these guys is not fooling me. I've been doing this. I've been through this so many times, bro. You're not fooling me. Not fooling me. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. So Crypto International says this is manipulation at its best. Exactly. Exactly, man. So you say you think we're gonna be trending sideways? Yeah. They probably want to trap a lot of people before they go back down. And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. You're probably thinking, yo, this guy is a bear, man. Like, what's going on? No, I'm not a bear. I love cryptocurrency just like you do. And I'm just a professional. That's all. That's all. So I make money on the downside and the upside. So that's what I do. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Glad to see everybody here. It's good to, good to chill out with you guys on a Saturday night. And right now, actually, let me get this over with. Since I don't have any sponsors, basically I sponsor myself. So during this live chat, I basically have a 50% discount. So let's get this over with so I can go back to the charts. Let me just go give you guys a 50% discount. Anybody that didn't get it yet. So right now it's actually 50% off. So let me copy and paste the link to this. And the reason why you want to get this, number one, you're supporting the channel. Number two, this course can actually put money in your pocket. Showing you how to be a professional. It shows you how to read the market, how to read the trends, how to read the cycles, how to get in, when to get out, how to take profits, blah, 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 all that stuff. This is strictly if you want to become a professional. So I'll show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. That's the unique thing about this course, right? Same way I told you guys, if this thing turns bullish, guess what? I'm making money on the upside. If it continues to go down, I'm making money on the downside. It's just what it is. That's how a professional works. That's how he makes his money. Okay. So if you want to take advantage of this, I'll just copy and paste the link to the bottom. If you live in the United States, you can still short. You don't need 5K to short. You need maybe $50 to open up an account. And if you have a 9-to-5, this still can work for you. I have a boatloads of testimonials. People making money, $400, $130. I can go all over. $250, $600, $400. These are testimonials from my live stream. $160, $400. So I have so many testimonials, guys. So if you want to take advantage of that, shout out to you. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I will continue to push out this content. So somebody said that the thing is blurry. Guys, is it blurry on your side? Somebody, Michael said it's blurry on his side. Is it blurry on your side, guys? Can you see the screen good? Can you see the screen? Because it looks good on my end. So Annette says clear. Okay. So businessman, you probably at a different maybe you had to raise up your settings. Maybe you gotta go to 480 or something. 480p. Okay, he says clear now. Okay, that's good. So yes, guys. Do I think the bulls is back? Nah, not really. No. Okay. I wish I wish I can tell you that the bulls is back. I wish. Trust me. Trust me. I want some of you guys to get your money back. I want that. No, it's not like I want the market to go down, but it's like I understand what's going on. The volume is still low. If this was a real bottom, we will see way more volume than this. And plus, this thing, you know, we even get, first of all, we even get out of the 7,000. That's the number one. We're still in the 6,000. Okay. And we have to hit 10K for me to even say this is bullish, because we have so many, we have so much resistance. At any if it hits one of these resistance zones, we can reverse like crazy. But like I said, I need more proof than this. I don't gamble when I do my things. This is why I'm able to do this full time. I don't guess. I don't gamble. I look for confirmation. And that's why a lot of people can't do this full time, because they just blindly do things. They don't know what they're doing. A lot of people are broke right now, because they've been trying to time the bottom ever since January. And, you know, it's hard for them to go home every single day to tell their wife that, you know, they don't have no more money in their bank account because they've been trying to time the bottom. I don't play like that. I do this full time. I have to pay bills. So I don't do guesswork and blindly do things. It's a system. I have a system, and that's it. I just don't do things like that. So I can't just blindly buy these bottoms just because it looks like the bulls is back. No, I don't do that. You know, the bulls was back right here. You see this big green candle right here? This should have been, we should have went to 20K just from this candle alone. And it went way back down. So, you know, for the people that's time the bottom, man, you know, to me, that's a reckless, dangerous game. All right, so let's go back to the what's going on GRA. So Vajo said, "Bulls are back. We are out of that bull flag. Don't believe you in your team." Shout out to Vajo. It's funny how these people come, right? They come when the market goes up a little bit, and then when the market goes down, they disappear. So shout out to Vajo. Vajo said the Bulls is back. Oh man. Shout out to him, man. The Bulls is having fun right now. Shout out to him. And Vajo, Vajo doesn't even know that. Vajo doesn't know that I'm not a bear or a bull. See, that's how you know Vajo don't really know what's really going on here. Right? He think just because I've been talking about the market is going down, he think that I'm a bear, right? That's how he know. That's how, you know, how much he really knows. That's how much he really knows. He thinks I'm really against, you know, cryptos, and I wanted to go down. So shout out to Vajo. I guess he don't understand the game. He's new to it. He's just a baby, you know. Vajo doesn't understand how a professional investor and trader works. He don't understand how it works, okay? So shout out to him. He's still learning. He just want to be correct. I don't care about being right, Vajo. I care about making money. Vajo said, "Are you kidding me?" Vajo must be a troll, because Vajo, you have nothing to say to me right now. Because you are not a you don't understand what's going on. Vajo said, I've been here for 2 years. I understand. Completely honest. Not trolling. I'm a long time listener. He said, I'm still up 300%. Oh man, Vajo. I don't have time to go back and forth with you, Vajo. But enjoy, um, you know, enjoy your 300%. How about Vajo? Vajo said he's up 300%. Okay, let me show Vajo something. Okay, let me show Vajo something. Vajo said he's up 300%. Okay, from hodling. Okay, right. Let me show you something, Vajo. I'm up 800% just by in the last 3 weeks. So you up hodling, and you've been hodling for probably the last 2 years or so. But last 3 weeks ago, I made seven times my money, so that's 700%. And last week I made 100%. Not one, yeah, 100% on my money. So that's 8 times my money, Vajo. So okay, so basically, I made money on my Ethereum trade, which was a 1-to-1. Okay, I broke even on my Bitcoin trade last week. So basically, between my Bitcoin trade, that's 7-to-1, my Ethereum trade is 1-to-1. So that's 8 times my money. So that's 800% within less than a month, Vajo, and you only up 300%. And it probably took you years to get to that. Okay, so I'm sorry, but this is how I do it over here. Okay, so you can brag about 300%. I'm cool with that. But your guys that been hollering, you haven't been making money ever since January, guys. Ever since January, you haven't been making no money. So you can brag all you want. I'm cool with that. It doesn't matter if it's stressful. It's stressful for you because you don't understand what's going on. Everything is stressful if you don't know what's going on, right? If you don't know what's going on, it's all right. It's just like, guys, let me explain to you, right? If you try to do heart surgery right now, right? If someone needs heart surgery, right, and you go and try to perform heart surgery on somebody, it will be stressful because you don't know what's going on. You're like, oh my God, I don't know. Should I cut the heart this way? Should I put the artery this way? Of course, it's going to be stressful if you don't know what you're doing. But to a doctor that been doing it for 11 years straight or 15 years straight, he's not going to say it's stressful. He's going to say this is you have to know what you're doing, and I've been doing this. Okay? So of course it's not stressful because you're not willing to learn. GR said, don't waste your time with him. I know. I'm just trying to, because when I talk to him, I'm talking to a lot of people, other people too. Because a lot of other people, they love to come when they see green bars on the chart. But for 7 months straight, they've been losing money. And and when I come on my stream, I don't talk down to anybody that's losing money. I say, yo, guys, all I say, for me, what I say is, guys, be careful. We are in the bear market. I don't say, ha, 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 look at your guys, you're losing money. I don't say that stuff because I know how it feels to lose money. So I would never come on my live stream and say, ha, 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 look at the bulls, they losing money. No, I'm just saying, guys, look. We are in the bear market. Be careful. These YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. Go look at my live streams. I say this all the time. These YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. Be careful to, stop buying these dips. Learn how to read the market. I don't say, ha, 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 you're losing money. No, I don't do that. So, Vajo, just chill out because, I have a lot of moderators on this thing that will gladly take you out if you continue to troll, because we keep it over here. We just want to make money, and we don't really want to go back and forth with anything. I love cryptos like everyone else. I'm looking to make money though. I'm a professional, so I make money on both sides. I don't pick a side. I'm not saying I'm a bear. That's what most people don't understand. That's why most people can't do this full time. You see how Vajal said it's stressful. Oh my gosh, swing trading is stressful. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. You see how he's saying it's stressful? It's because most people like him don't want to study. They don't want to study. They don't want to put in that work. So all they do is hodl because it's much easier. It's lazy, right? People that hodl, for the most part, they don't want to put in that work. It feels better because it's less work involved, right? When you swing trade, you have to study the charts and understand what's going on. Hodl, you just press a buy button and then don't do anything else after that. So that's why it's, for a lot of people, they want to hodl. So shout out to Vajal. I have a lot of moderators that will, shut it down for you. Over here, we just about making money. We don't care. We not trying to pick sides, man. We're not trying to pick sides. We just trying to make this money. That's what Vajal don't understand. I'm not a bear. That's why he can't do it. He probably would never do this full time because he has the wrong attitude. He don't understand that I'm a professional. I have to sell when the market is going down. It's not because I want to be a bear. It's not because I'm trying to go against the bulls. No, bro, I'm making money. I think everybody here on this chat room wants to make money. So let me hit that Mortal Kombat for this dude. Let me hit that Mortal Kombat.
Get over here! Finish him! Round 2. Fight!
Crazy. Get over here. Oh, man.
Finish him.
That's funny. That's funny. He said he'd been listening to me for 2 years, but at the same time he want to come on his stream and troll. That don't sound like a person that been listening to me for 2 years. Shout out to Paul. Paul said get Ben's course. It will change your life. Everybody on his stream must have it. So shout out to Paul. Paul is talking about this course right here, which is 50% off. This course will show you how to become a professional. All right. I told you guys a long time ago, if you just want to hodl, it's okay. You don't have to get this course. But if you want to become a professional, what a professional pretty much does is he knows how to make money while the market's going up and while the market's going down. This is how I'm able to have all these testimonials. If I've just told my guys, right? If I told my students just to buy the dips, right? These amounts would be negative. So this would be a negative 400. This would be a negative 130. This would be a negative $40. This would be a negative $400. This would be a negative 10%. This would be a negative 400. So do you see the difference between a professional and a person that basically just hodl, right? A professional knows what to do when the market is going down. A person that hodls only know what to do when the market is going up. Okay? So if you want to be a professional, like Paul said, check out this course. Right now it's 50% off. When I get off this live stream, it's going to go right back to 210. So shout out to everybody that's wanting to open their mind. I'm a professional. I've been doing this for 10 years straight, and that's all. I'm all about making this money. That's it, man. That's it. I don't come on my live streams and make fun of the bulls, because I know you guys are losing your hard-earned money. I understand that. So I would never come on this live stream and make fun of the bulls. when I come on my live stream, I tell the bulls, listen, guys, you know, it's best to change the way you think. It's best to have an open mind. It's best to study the market. Stop listening to everybody else, you know, because everybody else been telling you to buy the dips for 7 months straight. How's that been working out for you? Okay. How's that been working out for you? You're buying the dips 7 months straight. Meanwhile, my students are making money. So, you know, it's up to you at the end of the day. And it's funny because a lot of guys, when the market have these pullbacks, they come in here and say, ha ha, the market's going up. First of all, guys, I'm not against you. They think I'm against the bulls. I'm not against the bulls, right? So when the market was pulling back right here, they come back on my channel, and when it goes down, they disappear. When the market pulls back, they come back, and then when it goes down, they disappear. When the market pulls back, they come back. When it goes down, they disappear. But they don't understand I'm a professional. This is what I do. I'm not against you guys. I'm not against the bulls. I'm not against nobody. Okay? I'm about making money. We are on the same team. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat. Shout out to Paul. So let me read these comments. Let me see if I can read these comments real quick. Let me see if I can read these comments real quick. Shout out Bruno. Shout out to Bruno. Yes, and said, ladies and gentlemen, hit the likes. So yeah, hit the likes. So Brandon said, how long do you predict bear market will last? See people saying maybe 2 years. Yes, Bruno. Yes, it's a possibility it will last 2 years, or it's a possibility it will last more than 2 years. So last time we had a bear market, it lasts. Actually, we created a bottom, and it took 2 years just to create a bottom. Okay. And then it took another 3 years to go back to break even. So let's say that this is 2018, right? 2018, this would be like 19,000. So 2013, it took 5 years just to go right back to this high. So it could take a long time to get back to break even for a lot of guys. So let's go back to the what's going on, Copeland? Left Lane said all he knows is crypto stocks. Dom said he's trolling. I'm loving it. I need some entertainment. Exactly, man. Exactly. B Drag said it the best. Vaja was up in December 1,500%. Right? You should have sold. But now he's bragging he's up 300%. That's why a lot of people that hodl, right? They don't understand how to they don't understand that this is a business. So they treat it like a hobby, and they don't know when to take profits. Businessman said, I lost thousands from hodling. So shout out to Businessman. Exactly. Shout out to Businessman. Leslie said, Vajo is gone. Exactly. Thanks, guys. People don't understand. I have people moderating the chat, man. Left Lane said, if I'm up 300 now. All right. Get over here. Exactly. So I'm reading these comments, guys. I'm a little behind, so that's why it sounds like it's probably a delay, but it's not. I'm just behind reading these comments. GRA said real traders won't be in exactly, man. So I'm reading these comments, so give me a second. Exactly. Yeah, he said, Tony said, y'all bullies. This is too much comedy. Shout out to Tony. Shout out to Tony. So Julian said, is the program $50 with the promo? No, Julian. This product is 210, the normal price. With the live stream discount, I put it down to 110. So right now is at 110. When I get off, it's going to be at 210. So this is the discount. Who said that? Julian. This is the discount. So I just copy and paste the link. Let me get back to the charts. Let me read these comments. So Left Lane saying, don't stand in your way. Get the course if you haven't already. So shout out to Left Lane. He said, get the course if you don't have it already. So JG said, how far do you see this going up? Honestly, no more than 77. We have a lot of resistance right here. If we break this resistance right here, we have resistance right here. Last crash, we had a thing where we broke this triangle right here, and we went up quite a bit. We went up quite a bit just to fake a lot of people out, and then we went right back down to crash. So I don't think we will do that though this time. But if we do, it is what it is. But I don't think so. So right now, my eyes is on this 68, 7,000 level and 77 level. Let's see. So Dominic said, why don't you follow the trend on the next resistance level and place a buy order if you feel like it could reach Dominic, I don't feel like it could reach 75. I say it's a possibility. And this is not trends, Dominic. You have to understand this is a pullback, right? I don't buy pullbacks in a downtrend. Okay? That's a dangerous game. Buying pullbacks, for example, let's say I bought this pullback right here. I lost money. I bought this pullback, I lost money. I bought this pullback, I lost money. You see, we don't never know how far a pullback can go if you go against the trend. So going against the trend, the major trend is a dangerous game because you don't know how far a pullback will go, right? And that's why a lot of people are losing money. So yes, it looks good after the fact when it goes up, but I'm not into buying or going against the major trend. So even though it's probably go to 77, I'm not too sure. And number one and number two, actually, I don't go against the trend because this thing could reverse right here. I'd rather go along with the major trend. That's like me trying to last year. That's like me trying to short every pullback. That'd be a dangerous game. I would never go against the trend. I just don't. That's not my game. I never go against the trend. So even if I thought it would go to, or think it would go to 77, that's just not my game. MCC. So ECM. I'm sorry, man. I'm bugging out. EMC. I'm sorry. I'm bugging out. I don't know what I'm seeing. EMC said, Big Ben is the real deal. Best mentor I know. Thanks a lot, EMC. EMC2, thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. G Slick said, I'm making money and I haven't finished the course yet. It's worth the money, guys. So shout out to G Slick. He said he's making money and he didn't even finish the course yet. So let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay. Let me hit that cha-ching button for G Slick. He making his bread over here. This is what I'm talking about. So Vajal said, put it in timeout, laugh out loud. Love you, Ben. Not a hater. I'm just saying long term, this is going to go up big. So let me go back to some comments before I even hit that. So I've been here less than a year, and 1,000%. Ben is the realest person on here. Everybody else is chilling. Yeah, exactly, man. Everybody else is basically doing these ICOs, which is stupid to me. I don't know why they're doing them. But whatever. Paul said I lost my friend because I was trying to explain why he had a beer regulation. Oh man, he's a hodler. Okay, he went to buy Neo now, so he's so close-minded. I hear you, man. I hear you, Paul. Paul said he lost a friend, and that's what happened, guys. Right? You when you dealing with the guys that buy and hold, they are so attached to it to the point when you tell them something that's different, right? When you tell them something that's different, they would just like. They would get mad at you, man. So Paul said he lost a friend because he told him he was trying to explain to him, yo, we in the bear market, regulations. We have a lot of bad coins going on, and he wants to buy Neo right now. Man, shout out to Paul, man. So Vajra said, I love you, Ben. I'm not a hater. Just saying long term, this is going to go big. So that's what Vajal is saying. He's saying that, long term, this thing could go big. Well, Vajal, I don't have time to be waiting, Vajal, right? Do you notice that last year in 2013, it took 5 years to go back to break even, right? And then took another a year or so to get some decent profits. So if it took 5 years for an unregulated market, why would you think this year, if they regulate this market, it might take longer than that, okay? Most people think that this thing is going to reverse and go up and we will be okay. This thing might take 10 years before it starts to reverse. So while you're waiting for 10 years plus, right, Vajal, we are making money. That's the beauty of being a professional. We don't wait 10 years, 20 years because we don't really know the future like that. Right? It's funny how people, think that I'm against cryptocurrencies. I'm not, bro. It's just I'm against the whole idea of people trying to do things a certain way and they don't understand that way is holding them back. How do you do your trades? ZZ, how do you do your trades? What do you mean by that? What indicators do you go by? I don't go by no indicators. ZZ, get this course right here. This course will explain everything step by step. If you want to be a professional, to get this course is a 50% discount. I don't use no indicators. I basically use patterns in the market, right? And I look for the market. I look for the major trend, and I drill down. I drill down to the chart, and I look for patterns on the chart. So as long as you with the trend, you can actually get in, right? You see, we see right here we have a flag right here. Boom, you got in. Boom, you got in the flag. But I don't usually do flags like that because sometimes flags doesn't form every time. So I need to get in almost every single time when the market's going down. So I usually get in way before the flag pops. So once you get this course, everything will show you. I will show you everything step by step. Okay. I don't have time to explain everything right now. So let me go back to the questions. Exactly, JG, assuming it doesn't go to zero. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people think that long term is 100% guaranteed. Right? A lot of people think that long term is 100% guaranteed. And funny thing, a lot of people think that I think this way only with the crypto market. No, I think the same way with the stock market, right? A lot of people don't understand that the stock market been around way before this crypto market. So if I think the same way with the stock market, why do you think I'm not going to think the same way with the crypto market? And the crypto market, number one, is unregulated. It only been around for a decade. So at the same time, you have to understand, like, you have to understand how the market works, right? When it's time to retire or time to get your profits, the market could be crashing. That's why I don't put all my eggs into buying and holding, because when it's time to take your profits, right? The market could be going down like crazy, and you're thinking the market will reverse sometime soon, but it won't. So that's why I don't put all my eggs into buy and hold, because at any moment the market could crash. The same with the stock market, right? You have a lot of people that basically retired in 08, 07, and they had to go back to work because the market crashed. So I don't trust the market like that, to the point where I'm throwing my whole wealth into the market and I'm hoping it will continue to go up. So let's go back to the chat room. Crypto International said, I lost in BitConnect too. Yeah, I know, right? Hold. Exactly. So G Slick said, I'm out, guys. Getting back to Benny, the chart course. All right. So shout out to G Slick. He's going to study right now. So shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. He's about to study the course. So shout out to Paul. Paul said, much respect to Ben, mentorship. He said, I made 100x off his course for one trade. So shout out to Paul. So Julian said, finna grab the program ASAP. Yeah, if you get it, you have to get it during the live stream though. Well, you can get it after the live stream, but you're gonna pay 50% more. So right now it's 50% off. You can get it after the live stream. It's up to you. But if you get it now, you can actually get this discount. So shout out to Julian. He said he wants to get the course. Let me actually hit that cha-ching button for him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Shout out to Julian. Alright, so Dom said we are moderators, Ben 5. Alright. 5-0. True Values, what's going on, man? True Values, hit me up via email. You know my email, True Values? Hit me up email. If you don't know my email, I'll let you know. I will put it in the chat room. Paul said, thank you for your business, guys. Shout out to Paul. Oh, he said, thank you, businessman. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Hey, what's going on? Sajad, I believe that's how you say your name. What's going on? Good to see you here. Dom said, "Do you ever use Fibonacci?" Yeah, you could use Fibonacci, but I use it maybe sometimes during when I day trade. So B Drag said catching knives works in the bull market. Exactly. B Drag. Falling knives work in the bull market. People don't understand that using the same strategies that you use in a bear market, the bull market, it won't work in a bear market. So the strategies that you used last year, it's not working this year. That's why a lot of people are losing a lot of money. They can't really understand why they're losing money. Let's go back to the chat room. Right now, Dominic, I'm not looking to get in right now. I want price to go down a little bit. I want price to go down. So we'll see what's going on. Let's see what the 4-hour looks like. These spikes is funny, man. These spikes are real funny. So I don't know how long we're gonna be in this little channel. It's crazy, man. How long we've been in this little channel? Going on what, 5 days straight? It's funny how the bulls come through and we didn't even pass 7,000 yet. Goodness gracious. These guys get happy so quick. And they think I'm against them. I'm not against you guys. We are on the same team. It's crazy, man. Let me see. Can you explain the course to us? Zigzag. Oh, you said, can I explain the course to you? Yeah, basically, this course will show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market, right? So this course is very unique. It's the only course on the crypto market right now showing you how to make money both ways, right? So right now we on the bear market, but let's say that for, just for fun, the market reverse and it turned bullish again, right? Guess what? Ziza, we can actually make money both ways in the bull market too. So this course will show you how to become a professional. It will show you how to read the charts. So right now, a lot of people are confused. They think that this down movement is a pullback, right? They think this is a pullback. And the reason why they think this is a pullback is because they don't understand how to read the markets. We are basically in the bear market. We are making lower lows. We are below the moving average. We've been below a moving average ever since February, okay? We've been going down ever since January for that 7 months. So most people don't know how to read the market. So that's why they buying. They keep on buying. They've been buying since January. You've been losing money for 7 months straight, right? And for the people that's been losing money for 7 months straight, you have to ask yourself, am I doing something right? Meanwhile, you have my students. My students are making money, $400, $130, $50, 10%, $450. I can go on and on, $250. $400, 4Gs, $600. So you have to understand how to read the market. Right now we in the bear market. We having a little pullback. People, when they see these green pullbacks, these green bars, they think that the market is going to reverse, not knowing that pullbacks are, a part of the market. It's just how it works. So this course will basically show you how to become a professional. It will show you how to make money both ways. It will show you how to enter, how to exit, how to take your profits, how to short. Short selling is not complicated. to me is very simple. It's basically the reverse of buying. So instead of hitting the buy button, you hit the sell button. Okay, you don't have to own any coins. You just basically have the fund in your account. The minimum is pretty much, I think the minimum is $50 to fund the account. So shout out to Ziza. He wants me to explain the cost to him. So if you live in the United States, you can still short. And if you have a 9 to 5, you can still make this work because it's based on swing trading. Okay, you don't have to sit in front of your screen. You can swing trade. So swing trading is basically holding something for 2 days all the way to a week or two. We deal with the long-term charts. So shout out to Ziza. He wanted me to explain the course. So let's go back to the chat room and see what's going on. Yeah, so you can do Fibonacci from the high and the low. So, for example, let me see if I can get a fib. Let's see if so I would take this high right here, this swing right here, all the way to the low right here, right? And you can look for levels. Me personally, I like to look for the 618. You can't really see it, but this is a 618 right here. That level is pretty good. But you take it from the high of the swing and you take it from the low of the swing, and you just basically look for the pullback. And you got to figure out what level you want to look at, and then go from there. Yes, yeah, thanks for the basically, like I said, if you want to get it, it's the 50% right now. When I get off, it's gonna go right back to 210. So it's up to you if you want to get it now, later. I don't force nobody to get it. You know, that's up to you. If you want to learn how to professional work. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. Actually, next month would be 11 years. So it's up to you at the end of the day, you know. So shout out to Ziza. So Silver said this is a squeeze. We're going back down and down hard. All right. So shout out to Silver. He want to make this money. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. He want to make this money to the downside. Yeah, no problem, Dom. He want to make that money to the downside, man. Shout out to Silver. I mean, I definitely expect, you know, this type of move right here. Because we are definitely at a key support. Definitely at a key support. So I definitely expect some type of move right here. So it is what it is. I'm about to get off this thing soon. Let me see if I see any comments. Yes, and said hit the like button. Hit those likes. Hit those likes, guys. If you want to hit the likes, it's not gonna hurt you. Shout out to everybody that's hanging out with me on a Saturday night. I'm about to get off soon. Shout out to everybody that supported the channel today. Thanks a lot, actually. Shout out to everybody that's you know, that want to troll. And shout out to Vajal. Vajal said he's not a hater, and I believe him. So shout out to him. Trust me, I got a lot of love for you, Vajal. I believe you're not a troll, so shout out to you. Some people are just, you know, some people. So Ziza said, are you as bearish as about the market as Tony Vase? How bearish is Tone Vase? Is Tone Vase bearish? How bearish? How far do he think the market will go down? Crypto International. So put my email. Yeah, I'm gonna put my email right here. I'm gonna put my email if you need it. He said, Tone Vase said 5K or even lower. Yes. So yes, I agree with him. I definitely agree with him. So shout out to Left Lane. He said he can see now. So let me put in this email address real quick. Yeah, so Ziza, I believe this thing could hit 3K all the way down to 2K, all the way down to whatever it wants to go to. Because you have to understand this is what's really going on. Most YouTubers, number one, they can't tell you what's going on because they don't have the experience. Number two, they don't want to tell you what's going on because they know that they're gonna lose views, they're gonna lose subscribers. So in order for them to have subscribers come back to them, they want to continue to hype things up. I'm not hyping anything up on my channel. So basically, let me break it down to you, Ziza. Right now, what the market is going through a cleanse. We have to clean out the market, okay? So it's a lot of bad coins that's on the market right now. A lot. Probably like 90% or 85%. A lot of these coins that you see right now on the market is going to zero. Because a lot of these coins is not really doing anything. They don't have no revenue. They're not producing anything. So the government basically is cracking down, okay? So that's what you're seeing right now. You're seeing the government versus cryptocurrencies, okay? And right now, since the government is cracking down, about to regulate stuff, and they're trying to clean out all these scams, in order for that to happen, Ziza, the market has to continue to go down. Because in order to clean these guys out, these guys have to the value of these coins have to continue to go down. In order for that, the market has to continue to go down. These guys can't survive, or these guys will survive if the market continue to go up. In order for these guys to disappear, the market has to continue to go down. Okay, so that's what's going on, and you just have to be patient. It takes time for a bear market to recover. I just showed you that in 2013 it took 5 years. So I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but I'm telling you, listen, forget about not hearing that. Learn how to read the charts, learn how to become a professional, and learn how to make money while the market learn how to make money on both sides, when the market goes up and when the market goes down. Okay, right now you don't have time to complain. Nobody has time to complain right now. It's time to make money. It's time to learn. This is the best time to learn right now. Best time to learn. So let me go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. Crypto Big Drag said crypto enema. I hear that, man. Clean this thing out. So I'm about to get off soon. Shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. Thank you for chilling out with me on a Saturday night. I appreciate it. Shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. All right. I'm glad to see everybody here chilling out with me.
Okay.
Oh man. So yeah, guys, be careful because the Bears are very good at tricking you, right? We saw what happened last crash, how they tricked a lot of people in. We had a triple bottom, right? We broke this triangle. They tricked a lot of people. Had a double top, and then we went right back down. Do I think that's going to happen again? I don't think we're going to go this high, but we'll see. I think we have a chance to either go to 70,000, 71 in reverse, or 77 in reverse. I don't really see this thing going to 8,000. I don't know. I just don't see it. We'll see though. So businessman said, while most people are partying on Saturday night, I'm going to study my charts and practice trading. That's what's up, man. That's how I know you're going to be successful, businessman, because that's what I was doing. While everybody was basically going out clubbing, I was practicing, studying the charts. So shout out to businessman. He's on the right track, and he's going to be successful. I know it. Hey, what's going on, Keith? Watching Justin League family. Okay, with the family. Okay, that's what's up. He listening on the phone. Sorry, don't worry about it. Thanks a lot, Keith. Keith said, if you are new, get the course. It's the real deal. So shout out to Keith. Keith said, if you are new to the channel, get the course. That's what's up, Keith. Yeah, businessman. That's the name of the game. Studying, man. For a while, man. Like I told you guys, I didn't go out for a while, man. I was just studying, and you know, staying in the house. I mean, I went out here and there, but it was hardly. I hardly went out. I put a lot of money into the in the market. So let me get out. I'm about to get out of here. Be careful out here, guys. I understand that, you know, the market looks like it's going up. It looks like it's going to reverse. But that's what the Bears do. You know, they trick a lot of people here in February, right? They tricked you right here. They tricked you right here. They tricked you right here when we went up, right? They tricked you right here. They tricked you right here, right here, right here. And now they're going up. So how many times you want to lose money? I don't know. Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful, okay? Let me see. So Gardock said this pump was most definitely the bots. You can't tell me everyone was ready to buy. Exactly. Exactly. You hear that? You hear that? Gardock said this pump is most definitely the bots. You can't tell me everyone was ready to buy on a Saturday evening, Sunday morning, Sunday morning. You know what I'm saying? So let's go back to the 4 hour, and you can just tell, man. Let's reset this. Look at this. So you're saying everybody wanted to buy right here, and then everybody say, "Yay, let's buy right now." So be careful out here, guys. That's all I'm gonna have to say. The volume is still low. Volume is still low. These pumps looks fake. These pumps look fake. We saw these pumps multiple times, guys. How many times we're gonna get faked out? Multiple times. We see these spikes. Okay. Spike right here. Spike right here. Okay. Market continue to go down. Spike right here. Another spike right here. So, we have multiple spikes. So be careful, guys. I understand you want, to catch the bottom. But to me, that's a dangerous game. I've been doing this so long. I made the same mistakes you guys are making right now. So let me see what's going on in the chat room so I can get out of here. Yeah, Godak. I was actually looking at the chart. I was looking at Bitcoin chart, and all of a sudden I saw this green bar just shoot up. It was just shooting up. I'm like, what? This is crazy. I saw it. I saw it live. I saw it live. I saw the bar just shooting up on my 4 hour. I was watching the chart too. I was watching the Bitcoin chart. I just saw this bar just shooting up, going up, going up, going up. It's crazy. Exactly, Keith. Total manipulation. Let's look at other coins. Let's see what's going on in Litecoin. And after that, I guess I'll get out. Have you guys, get out of here. Okay. So Litecoin basically went up a little bit. It hit this trend line. It's showing some type of resistance. We'll see. It's showing a little bit of resistance right here on the Litecoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is doing. So Ethereum went up too. Let's see what's going on with XRP. XRP went up a little bit, nothing crazy. What's going on with Tron? Okay, my thing is acting up. I don't know what's going on. It's acting up as soon as I put Tron in. Okay, so Tron going up. Well, not going up, but had a little green bar. Let me see anything else. Let's see what's a Classic doing with Ethereum Classic. Okay, so it's going up. All right, that's what's up. So let me get out of here. Let me see what's going on in the chat room. So Gardock said, "Me too, man. It was looking like it was about to drop, and no one had no reason to buy it at that time." Exactly, you're right. It was looking like it was about to drop, and nobody had a reason to buy it, and all of a sudden, buyers came out of nowhere. You said that's crazy how everybody is in the same channel. Yeah, I was looking at it too, Gardock. Crazy. Looking like it was going to go down, then next thing you know, it's going up. So let me get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's in this chat. Thanks for stopping by. I know some of you guys want to rest. Today was cool. I had to go back and forth with a couple of people, but it was all good. It was all love. No hate over here. No hate over here. I'm on the same team, guys. I like cryptos like you, and I just want to make money. That's it. So shout out to everybody that's on this channel. Thank you for chilling with me tonight. Thank you for everything. Shout out to Annette. Shout out to Businessman, Left Lane, Gardock, Keith, everybody, Expose, B-Drag, Left Lane, if I didn't say your name, EMC2, shout out to him, Ziza, and everybody that actually bought the course, supporting the channel. Shout out to y'all guys. Dom, everybody. Okay. Oh, what's going on, Leslie? I didn't even see you, Leslie. What's going on? I didn't even see Leslie. Shout out to Leslie. Everybody that's in the chat room. Nil, what's going on, Nil? Dominic. So let me get out of here, man. I'm getting tired. Paul, True Vials, everybody, man. Shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Just be careful. So Luke says still going through your course. Great so far. All right. So shout out to Luke. Luke got the course. He's going through it. And he says great so far. So shout out to him, man. I'm glad that you're studying. So shout out to Gigi. Good night too. Shout out to Luke. Good night, Luke. So guys, have a good night. Make sure you study. And be careful out here. These pump fakes are serious. Man, these pump fakes are serious, B. You know. That's what I do, like, cause I play basketball. I be love doing pump fakes. This pump fake this is a serious pump fake right here. But like I said, we have room to go right here in this zone and this zone right here. So let me do that before I go. So this zone right here, we have room to go here. Maybe play around this zone and maybe reverse, or go this zone right here and reverse. Right, play around, maybe hit this trend line, and you know, hit this trend line and maybe reverse from here. Who knows? All I'm waiting for is the market to point down again. That's it. I don't try to time no bottoms. I don't try to time no tops. I just try to make this money. Shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. Thanks a lot for chilling out with me. And good night, and have a good day. And keep saying any trolls will become believers. Exactly, man. So shout out to everybody. Good night. If you don't have this course, I'm about to get off. I'm just gonna go to 210. So let me copy and paste that link before I get out of here. And that's about it, man. I'm tired. I'm probably get something to eat. I don't know yet. But shout out to everybody. Thanks for coming through. Coin market cap 277 billion. You have to understand this thing was at 833 or something like that way before. So they took 500 billion out of this market, right? 500 billion out of this market, and they took 500 billion, and that wasn't, you know, that's not retailers. That's not us. We don't have that type of money. So who's taking 500 billion out of this market? Damn sure it's not us. It's the big dogs, right? Why are they taking that much money out of the market? Anyway, let's get out of here. Let me get out of here, and have a good night. Sleep well, like Luke said, and talk to you guys later.